Introducing a prime leasing opportunity brought to you by Bayti Real Estate. This spacious fitted half-floor office spans 4,006 square feet, offering a well-thought-out layout designed for productivity and comfort. Step inside to find 3 large partition rooms, along with 4 private rooms, perfect for CEO offices or meeting spaces. The welcoming reception area sets a professional tone, while 2 pantries ensure convenience for your team. The property features shared washrooms and water is included. Only electricity is payable to DEWA. Chiller charges are 3 dirhams plus VAT per square foot, payable in full upon the first payment. Benefit from 4 dedicated parking spaces and 4 access cards to a shared gym within the building, enhancing work-life balance for your team. The office is ready for immediate occupancy and is ideally located just a short walk from the Emirates Tower Metro Station, right off Sheikh Zayed Road. Enjoy the convenience of being in one of Dubai's bustling hotspots with easy access to public transport. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please get in contact with myself on the details provided.